Thank you, Ms. Farlow, for being here for this Civitas interview.
Thank you for inviting me here today.
Our first question for you, ma'am. What do you believe to be the role of judiciary? If elected, how will this understanding of your role manifest in your adjudication?
The role of the judiciary is to interpret the law and not to legislate from the bench. The role of a judge is to apply the law as written. Now, every candidate will say that the role of the judiciary is to interpret the law. What is important is what they mean by that. My judicial philosophy is that the law should be strictly construed. They should not be twisted and manipulated to achieve a desired result. I do not believe that the Constitution of the United States of America or North Carolina are living, breathing documents, and that there should be a strict construction of the law.
Yes, ma'am. All right, and our second question. What do you feel the impact of the recent SBI issue will have on the efficacy of our judicial system? Should this cause North Carolinians to reconsider their position on the death penalty?
First, the SBI issue is a real travesty and certainly has undermined public confidence in our judicial system. However, the State Attorney General's office did intervene, looked at a lot of cases, and discovered approximately 230 cases where evidence was tainted or there were problems with how the SBI proceeded. That in mind, there are steps being taken to remedy the situation. It may be costly, but it's necessary to uphold the integrity of our judicial system. With respect to the death penalty, I do not think that the SBI issue should require citizens to reevaluate their position on the death penalty. I think that it is clear that most of the people of North Carolina are in favor of the death penalty.
That's right. Okay. And our third question. What are your thoughts on judicial offices being made nonpartisan and about public financing of appellate court races?
Years ago, the judicial elections were partisan, and it was a partisan effort to remove the party affiliation from the judicial candidates. I feel that the judicial races should reflect a party's affiliation. Many times I am asked what my party affiliation is, particularly whether I'm a Republican or Democrat. I think that is a key piece of information that the voters want and that the voters should have when they go to the voting booth.
All right, our final question, ma'am. Why should North Carolina elect you to be a leader of its judicial system?
I bring over 22 years of experience to the Court of Appeals. I have practiced civil and criminal law, handled everything from minor traffic cases to capital murder. On the civil side, my experience is vast and broad. I've handled domestic cases, contract cases, employment cases, and a variety of issues that appear before the Court of Appeals. I'm also in the courtroom. I know what litigation is. I understand the rules of evidence. Also, I believe that the voters should vote for me because I am a conservative. I will be a conservative judge. I will follow the rule of law, and that is important to the people of the state of North Carolina. I will uphold the Constitution of the United States and North Carolina, and will make sure that the freedoms and rights of the people of North Carolina are upheld and protected.
Thank you, ma'am, for talking with us today.
Thank you.